To install apps on the Redmi Note 15 Pro, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store. So open up the Play Store, and if you're not signed in, then you might need to sign in first and set up your biometrics. And that's gonna allow you to go into the App Store and see the apps available. So you can find the app you want to install. You can even search for it. So let's say you want to search for an app like Apple Music, for instance. Okay, so you find the app, tap on it, and then tap on the install button, and that's gonna install the app. Alternatively, you can go to the Mi App Store that comes pre-installed on your phone. This also has some apps that you can download and get installed on your phone. All right, but usually you want to go to the Google Play Store. That's the safest source of apps. Thanks for watching and good luck.